Good morning, it is the first day of the Practical Classic Restoration Show at the NEC. I've got my cup of coffee and we've got my Ford Escort popular over there. We're going to go and do some interior work on it.
I'm not awake yet, but we're here. Sean, so what's our plans for today?
Well, our plans for today are, well actually, this is a clue, I'm sitting 1990s style in the best sitcom fashion with no headrest in my 1990s car because I'm in the middle of taking the seat out. So the job that I want to do mainly this weekend is I want to remove these sagging seat covers. Hopefully you can see over here that this is all kind of detached and come loose, the glue. So we're going to take it all off, take them home and wash them, and then tomorrow come back and re-glue them back in position so they're nice and taut and firm, hopefully.
Any other plans for the weekend? I mean with the car, not on grinder?
Yes, we're going to fit some new number plates. I've got some new dealer plates for it. We're going to fit some new chrome trims on the bumpers because they both faded, especially the back one. There's a passenger window there that is a little bit, lets a bit of air in, which I'd forgotten about because when Ian Seabrook was sitting in it the other day, he said, oh, there's a bit of wind noise coming in here, and that reminded me that yes, that window doesn't quite completely close. So we'll take the door card off and have a look inside and see what's going on with that, see if it'll close a bit better. That's probably about it. We're not doing anything too kind of ambitious because we're here to talk to people really rather than to work on cars two difficult jobs.
It would be nice to catch up with a few people from social media who've been very supportive over the last year.
Absolutely, looking forward to it.
What are we doing?
Taking the seat out.
Talk about meta. I'm working really hard. So Sean. So while Sean's fiddling with his seats, I thought we'd come over and look at Mike and Chris's Allegro because they've decided to take the head off at a car show. Yeah, this is a little insane. If this was us, we would be like literally at 6 o'clock on Sunday night panicking. Fair play to them. Okay, where are we now?
Update, I have managed to get the driver's seat taken apart and done the really hard bit, which is to take the headrest clips out. Because they're really, well, they're not that hard once you know what you're supposed to do, but the first time I did it on the passenger seat a few months ago at home, I had no idea what to do, and I thought they were the same as a Mark III Fiesta, where they sort of twist out. They do not, it turns out there's little clips. Anyway, taken those out, got the hard shell back off, now it's time to peel off this fabric and reveal the powdery goodness that's happening behind. And then get the Hoover out and clean it up.
This is me helping. Yep, helping. Tell me what's happening.
Right, it's towards the end of the afternoon and we have removed all of the fabric from the front driver's seat and both parts of the rear seat. So they look very naked and strange now. Just put them back in the car kind of to get out of the way. So tonight's job is going to take the covers home, wash them in the sink, really give them a good scrub, get all the old glue off and all the old kind of dirt from the driver's seat in particular. Come back tomorrow and get them re-glued back on.
We've nipped out from our hall for a bit to come round and have a look at the barn find section. I'm very into this Uno, and strangely enough, Sean is very into that Astra. Better go find him. Well, would you buy the Astra?
I actually would. It's really nice.
How much is it?
2,450, which I don't think that's too bad. They're worth like £5 grand.
It's going to need a little bit of work.
It's not that bad. Like, it's still got sills, I think. Oh, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Let's have a look at these sills.
It does not have sills. It's missing sills. I mean, it's not a million miles away from my car. Oh, actually, it's missing door bottoms. Bottoms? Where am I from?
Bottoms. Oh, look at some scrumpy. Oh, okay.
Please don't do that. That's being edited out.
Off we go again. Oh my god, it stinks. I can actually smell it from here.
Yeah, it smells very farmyard.
If you're wondering what we're talking about, it's this biohazard of a Mondeo estate. Which is, it's a V6. It is a V6.
That would be why it's here then.
Yeah.
Ooh, love the towing eye.
Oh, cracked bumpers, but no gaffer tape. Yeah, no gaffer tape yet. Let's keep going. There's a lot of sad cars here, but this is the world's saddest stag. It even looks sad for everything. Somebody should save it. Would you save it?
Absolutely not. No.
You heartless soul.
I am. Yeah.
Yes, anyway, we've made it round to the BDX stand, and Dave is here from BDX, and we have some BDX, which means that the rest of taking your car apart should be no problem.
It should be, yeah, and actually it's going to be really useful because I need to take the rubber strip out, and I think it's really, I found it good at cleaning.
Yes.
So I'm going to clean the old
we've had people
adhesive
telling
off with
us,
it.
we didn't, it's not a cleaner, but I've had guys telling us it's a brilliant carb cleaner, it's cleaning chrome, it's cleaning all sorts of things.
Yeah.
So that's really good. Plus as well, when you go to put the rubber back on, see a wee bit down the inside of the lip and just... That'd be all good.
There you go, you heard it first. Use BDX on your rubbers.
Indeed, absolutely. Even if they are ribbed for her pleasure.
Yeah, we got BDX'd. Anyway, this is Sarah Crabtree's car, and she's going to be changing some wheels today. Just missed her on the stand because we were being BDX'd. But yeah, she's going from these wheels to these 7 Series wheels. So yeah, when we catch up with her later in the show. So that's what did we actually purchased some things from BDX?
We did. We purchased some Alpha Lan, which is lanolin rustproofing.
Yeah, so there's probably some videos coming out soon of us getting very sort of like dirty underneath some cars, trying to stop them from rusting.
Maybe.
Hopefully. As I say, we'll see how we get on with that. I think we've kind of seen everything we want to see, mainly because it's nearly 5:30 and they're going to kick us out. So we're going to be back tomorrow to do some more work on the car. We're going to go home tonight, we're going to wash the covers, and when we are going to bring them back tomorrow, hopefully dried, and get them on, and you'll see more stuff, things.
Some stuff.
We're very tired.
We are. Good night.
Bye.